more now on that breaking news that we mentioned right before the break. This new video of Donald Trump testifying in a legal deposition. And in it, he talks about controversial comments that he's made on the trail about Mexicans. MSNBC legal correspondent Ari Melber is here with the details on this. And this is Donald Trump under oath, Ari.
That's right, Thomas. This is brand new video. We just got it into our newsroom. This is a product of a lawsuit that NBC, along with several news organizations, filed here to get a hold of this video. It has never been played on television or seen anywhere outside of this private litigation. The clip we are about to show you is the crux of the case. This is a multi-million-dollar standoff over where Donald Trump's campaign may conflict with his business interests, a fallout over basically a restaurant that no longer wanted to do business with him at that forthcoming Washington, D.C. hotel over comments they allege were basically racist in his opening campaign kickoff speech, comments many remember where he alleged that some Mexican immigrants are rapists and criminals. And so he was asked specifically about his preparation and approach to those controversial statements. Here it is.
With respect to the speech that you made, and specifically the focus on Mexicans and immigrants, did you write the statement in advance? Was it written?
No.
And did you plan in advance what you were going to say?
Yes.
Okay. Did you talk to other people about it?
No.
Did you give any thoughts to the effect that your statement relative to Mexicans and immigrants would have on tenants in your current or future projects?
No. No, I didn't. I didn't at all.
We hear from Donald Trump a lot, Thomas, but not usually like that. I would flag a few things. Number one, the brevity. This is someone who we are used to having run-on sentences and big statements. You can see how concise he is. He's under oath as he speaks there. He looks at times quiet or chastened. And the other thing that does seem consistent with the Donald Trump we've heard otherwise is he's very clear in saying he keeps his own counsel. He's under oath there saying he didn't speak to anyone about those charges that Mexicans are rapists. He didn't speak to aides about it, and he didn't pre-write much of it. He says he pre-planned it but spoke off the cuff. That dispute, though, is the dispute at the heart of this lawsuit. Basically, does Donald Trump's business interests conflict with his campaign, and does he think about it that way? Him saying under oath in this brand new video that he doesn't measure it out, that he does what he needs to do on the campaign trail, and if it costs him business, then so be it. But of course, so be it. But he's suing this restaurateur for breach of contract.
All right, so this all has to do with the D.C. hotel that has already opened, correct? And
that's forthcoming, yep.
The June testimony right here was pretty much after he had the way cleared to know he was going to be the nominee and getting ready for the conventions coming up the next month. But he is asked about preparation for this deposition. Take a listen.
What did you do to prepare for the case today, for the deposition?
I would say virtually nothing. I spoke with my counsel for a short period of time. I just arrived here, and we proceeded to the deposition.
Thank you. So you didn't look at any documents or?
No, I didn't.
Anything?
Again, he's under oath there, Thomas, and as you point out, he's speaking about his preparation. He says virtually nothing. He doesn't prepare for a deposition, even though there are millions of dollars on the line. And this is a candidate who said he doesn't do conventional prep or mock preparation for debates. So the window we're seeing here is not something we would usually see. Indeed, NBC tried to get the video from the Trump University deposition. The judge did not release it, and that case goes to trial after the election. So here the politics meets the law. If voters look at this and they assess, do they see a different Donald Trump or do they like the Donald Trump they see here in this setting under oath? The argument he's making, to be fair to him, is that he's putting the campaign and whatever he wants to say, whatever he offers as his truth, above any business cost. That's the argument he makes throughout the deposition, as well as saying basically he wasn't involved in the details.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much. I know you're going to be poring over this some more, and we'll be talking later this afternoon. Thank you very much. Sure.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.